Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for 2025's digital world. Today, we're diving into something straightforward yet essential: how to remove a page from Facebook. Maybe you've got an old business page that's no longer relevant, or perhaps you're streamlining your online presence. Whatever the reason, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on either the app or the website. Once you're in, head over to the page you want to remove. You'll need to be an admin of that page to proceed, so double-check your role before starting. Now, click on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the top right corner if you're on the app, or go to the page itself on the web version. From there, select Page Settings or Settings and Privacy, depending on the interface updates for 2025. Look for the General tab or a section labeled Remove Page. Facebook might have tweaked their layout, but it should be under Account Management Options. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the Remove Page button. It could be worded as Delete Page or something similar. Click on that, and Facebook will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is your last chance to back out, so read it carefully. If you're sure, confirm the deletion, and poof, your page will be gone for good. Remember, this action is permanent, so ensure you don't have any important data tied to it. A quick tip: before deleting, download any valuable content from your page using Facebook's export tools to avoid losing photos or posts forever. Also, if the page is linked to ads or other services, you might need to handle those separately to wrap things up cleanly. There you have it. Removing a Facebook page in 2025 is quicker than you think. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to videos, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.